My Bondwell 14 CPM Z80 system that I'm currently restoring. We've got a minor problem with the speech output, but it turns out that it's just the 8-pin amplifier. So I'll just show you where that is on the board and we'll have a quick look at it on the schematic. And I'm just going to then run the demo sample speech plus the say GitHub that I found online, and I've put a link to that brilliant piece of work in the description. Fortunately, the digital analog converter wasn't the problem. It turns out that it's actually the TBA 8020M, which amplifies the actual signal for the speaker. That's the actual problem. So we're going to replace that chip, and then we should be able to have this zipped up. But for now, I'm just going to run an amplifier off the digital analog converter just to make sure that everything else before the amp is also working properly. Yeah, there's the problem on the schematic, and it should be a fairly easy fix. It's just an 8-pin package, so we'll remove it, we'll put in a socket, and then we'll replace it. Here's one of the examples from the enhanced speech routines from the GitHub page, which I've placed the links in the description.
Hello, I am Macintosh. It sure is great to get out of that bag. Unaccustomed as I am to public speaking, I'd like to share with you a maxim I thought of. The first time I met an embedded frame. Never trust a computer that you can't lift. Obviously, I can talk, but right now, I'd like to sit back and listen. So it is with considerable pride that I introduce a man who has been like a father to me, Steve Jobs. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer. Joe, I'm half crazy over the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two.
Absolutely brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you indeed. And now we'll use the original speech routines, so you can just see the difference between the improved and the original.
Demo speech. Hello. How are you? I am a portable computer. With me you will find out what a great friend a computer can be. Now, let me introduce my specifications. CPU, Z80, 4 MHz clock. Primary storage, user RAM. Maximum 128 kilobytes dynamic RAM. ROM, 4 kilobytes monitor ROM. Video RAM, 2 kilobytes static RAM. Secondary storage, dual 5/4 inches mini floppy disk drive. Slim, half height. Single or double side version. Single track. 40 tracks per side. Soft center. Double density. IBM. MFM format. Totally 1 megabytes unformatted capacity. CRT display. 9 inches low profile high performance data display monitor. Amber phosphor with high contrast dark background. External brightness and contrast adjustment. Display 80 by 25 characters on full screen. Provide external composite video signal. Character set into SD characters. Input output port. Serial port. To RS-232 compatible input output port with programmable transmission rate. Such that this computer can be communicated with modem, printer and other computers. Parallel port. One Centronics type printer port. Keyboard. Standard typewriter keyboard. Control and escape key. For cursor movement controller only. Separate numeric keypad. 16 user-defined function keys. Software. CPM 2.2 and CPM Plus compatible. Software bundle includes CPM system. WordStar. Mailbird. LStar. ReportStar. And DataStar. Built-in voice synthesizer. High-grade voice. Speak separate words, characters, or sentences. Speak written essay. Nice to talk to you. See you again.
Well, we're finally making a bit of progress with our restoration of our Bondwell 14. I hope you found that somewhat interesting, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.